Hi guys, with our module one for, I believe it's ARC 421, Architectural Technology Part 2. The last videos I was doing Part 1. Finally, we are on the next semester. So, let's begin. Two ways to build. Which one are you standing in? We have every building ever made falls into one of these two categories. And once you know them, you'll never look at a building the same way again. So what are they? Stereotonic, and we have tectonic. So stereotonic is heavy, solid, carved from mass, thick stone, bolts, and concrete. The building feels like it grew out of the earth, and tectonic was light, jointed, assembled from pieces, thick steel frames, wood studs, bolted connections. The building feels like it was constructed already. So we got, and I'm gonna say this now, but I will be butchering his names. I'm gonna try the best I can. I looked it up, but I quite don't remember. But here we go. We all know Frank Lloyd Wright. Well, he makes both a masonry core anchoring wood frames. We have, I can't really quite read it. Yeah, Mies van der Rohe, which is tectonic, in minimal steel skeleton, all glass, floating above the ground. And then we got Le Corbusier, the guy who invented the free plan, gave it all up, returned to thick bearing walls and brick vaults and a deliberate backwards. Yeah, sorry if I butchered that, but this is my thing. So and modern architecture blurs the line completely. We got Peter Zumthor thermal baths in Switzerland look like carved stone, but underneath it is a concrete frame. And then we have Herzog and de Menro that stack actual dry lay stone, but the stone carry zero load. The frames does all the work. My closing notes are heavy or light, solid or jointed. But that tension is what makes architecture interesting. So thank you very